Good morning, everyone. Uh, on behalf of Simta Group, we welcome each one. It's a wonderful show, the Jack exhibition. We are meeting each other after 2-3 years of COVID pandemic. So it's good to see everyone, the customers, our patrons in a single platform. Regarding the Simta's uPVC division, so we are adding up more values and products in our portfolio, and we are still improving our marketing capability. And regarding the development area, we are introducing ABS doors. It's a evolutionary product in door division, and we have introduced the uPVC fabricating machines. It is completely designed, developed and manufactured in our factory at Coimbatore. So it's these two wonderful products we are launched in this wonderful show. And regarding the Simta's future plan, we are working on more and more developments in uPVC sector, as well as we are going to launch the aluminium windows very soon. Regarding this uPVC division, we are increasing our production capacity. Currently we are doing 1200 tons of profiles every month, and we are planning to go for a big expansion, and we are planning to double the capacity before the year 2025. So hope our fabricators and customers will get a good product with good service and good value for their money, what they are paying for the product. Thank you everyone.